Across Central Asia and the South Caucasus, schools are embracing a new kind of infrastructure, one that supports both educational purposes and sustainable development. SolarSchools is an exciting project that brings solar energy directly into classrooms, combining clean energy access with hands-on learning. In each participating school, solar panels are installed on rooftops for educational reasons, generating electricity to power useful applications such as charging stations for e-scooters or smartphones, and thus make solar energy supply tangible for young people. But the technology experience is only one part of the story. What sets SolarSchools apart is its educational approach. Students don't just benefit from solar power, they actively learn from it in the classrooms. Through educational films and materials for classroom teaching and practical exercises, solar energy becomes part of the learning environment. Students explore how solar systems work, analyze their performance, and connect this knowledge to real-world environmental challenges. Our approach is designed in collaboration with local educators to ensure it fits national curricula and regional contexts. Teachers receive training and guidance on how to incorporate renewable energy into everyday classroom practice, fostering both energy literacy and critical thinking. With each new school, we are expanding our network of learning hubs, places where education and sustainability go hand in hand. My name is Danilo Urbschat, and I am one of the team members of the SolarSchools project. Together with our partners and community, we are working to make solar energy a practical, visible part of students' daily lives. The SolarSchools initiative is already active in 7 schools across Central Asia and the South Caucasus. These schools span 4 countries, each with its own culture, language, and education system, yet all united by a shared goal: integrating solar energy into everyday learning. In Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan, the National School Lyceum of Innovative Technologies, named after Malda Kulov, offers a more technical profile. Here, solar power not just has been introduced as infrastructure, but also as an applied science topic. Students conduct experiments, monitor energy output, and study how renewable systems work, all integrated into their coursework. The German embassy in Bishkek, one of our core supporters, highlighted the significance as a bridge between sustainability, education, and regional cooperation of this project. In Tbilisi, Georgia, school number 52 has made its solar system a core part of its curricula. Their teachers now use the data from the solar panels to explain key concepts of electricity and thermodynamics. The system has become an interactive tool in the classroom, helping students to visualize and understand energy processes in a practical way. The students also take part in several workshops where they learn how to build simple solar models and how sunlight is converted into power this way. In Gyumri, Armenia, the Photon Gymnasium focuses on a STEM-driven curriculum. With solar energy now part of its facilities, students explore topics like climate science, environmental policy, and digital monitoring tools. The school uses its solar installation as a practical teaching resource across multiple subjects. With this approach, students can connect theoretical knowledge with real-world sustainable challenges. In Almaty, Kazakhstan, high school number 18 has joined the SolarSchools network as a bilingual institution with a strong focus on innovation. The school now operates a solar rooftop installation that supports both classroom power needs and educational activities. Students are introduced to the topics of solar energy through integrated science lessons and workshops that encourage critical thinking and experimentation. The school's commitment to a STEM learning program and climate awareness is reinforced through the use of interactive tools and teacher training supported by the program. At school number 18, solar technology is not just seen as an energy source but also as an essential part of future-oriented education. In addition, school number 46 in Astana is also participating in the SolarSchools program and was the first solar school at all to be inaugurated in Central Asia. Two schools in Uzbekistan, the academic Lyceum in Kashi and school number 60 in Tashkent, were among the first to join the SolarSchools program. Solar panels on their roofs now provide stable electricity to classrooms supporting lighting, computers and basic infrastructure. The schools have embraced solar technology as both an energy solution and educational asset. During the receptions, students showcased performances and engaged in hands-on demonstrations of solar technology. Across all 7 solar schools, the model is the same. Solar energy isn't just installed, it's activated as a learning tool. Teachers receive training, curricula are adapted, and each school is creating a unique path in integrating solar energy into their culture. Quotes from teachers and international project partners reinforce the value of the model by combining both educational relevance and climate awareness. With tools like the solar suitcase, students are even embracing working systems themselves, gaining real-world skills in science, engineering and sustainability. This is learning by doing, not just theory and textbooks, and a direct connection to the technologies shaping the future. The global transition to clean energy is not just about technology. It's about education, opportunity and community. With every solar school, we are not just powering classrooms, we are empowering futures. Together with our partners, we have built a model that works. And now we are ready to expand. We invite new project collaborators, funders and changemakers to join us, to bring solar energy and sustainability education to even more schools across the globe. Let's educate the next generation of solar leaders. Visit us at solarschools.org or contact us directly.